Oh, I'm just practicing my shadow puppets. But you know what would be cool? If we could put on our own shadow theater with 3D printed characters and backgrounds. Hey builders, Daniel from Toybox here, and that's right, Shadow Theater Play Pack is here. Pick your characters, choose a setting, define a plot, and put on a show. Using lights, shadows, and your own imagination, you can create your very own story. Let's tell a story. Let's see what's inside. We have our frame, screens, 8 dowels, 2 flashlights to bring our theater to light, and our Shadow Theater instructions, which provide a bit of extra help to tell a great story. Let me show you how to build your Shadow Theater. Start by carefully punching out the pieces of your frame. Take the feet and slide them into the notches on the frame. Use the provided tape to attach the screen to the frame. The tape is double-sided, so lay down a piece of tape and then peel off the backing. One piece on each side should do fine. Then, place the screen on top and press it down. And that's it. Head on over to the creator space and start printing some pieces. First, print the handles for the lights and characters. You'll want to print at least 2 of each. Next, start printing whatever characters and scenery you might want for your story. Having trouble coming up with a story? Check the instructions to get some inspiration and ideas, or just fill in the blanks. Now, let's get our scene ready. Take 2 dowels and insert them into the light handle. Then, take the character handle and attach it. Slide the flashlight on and then pick a character or object. Each piece has a hole which fits on the handle. You're ready to go. Turn on the flashlight and put it behind the screen. A shadow will be cast on the screen, illuminating your object. How cool is that? Oh, and don't forget to create your own unique character. Click Custom Shadow Puppet to get started. From there, you can customize each part of your puppet to your liking. Get creative and make a character that fits with your story. Once you're happy, pick a color, name your shadow puppet, and get to printing. Now it's time to tell a story. You don't have to turn out the lights, but it can make your shadow puppets easier to see. I can't wait to see what amazing stories you create with your Shadow Theater Play Pack. Once upon a time, there was an ambitious cow named Maggie who dreamed of jumping over the moon. "You'll never be able to do it," said Chester the cat. "Just watch," said Maggie. As Maggie the cow climbed to the top of the hill, she saw a bright and beautiful shooting star fly across the sky. "I'm gonna fly like that star," Maggie wished to herself. And with a little magic, Maggie leaped in the air, and in the sky she went. So far and so high, she jumped right over the moon. "I don't believe it," Chester the cat meowed.